Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So, very quick video lang. May tanong kasi dito. If non-VAT ako, affected ba ako sa panibagong 12% VAT on digital services? So, ang sagot niyan is very big yes. So, hindi po magmamatter whether you are VAT registered or non-VAT registered. Yung 12% VAT ay mag-increase talaga yung mga digital services providers, especially yung mga based foreign, especially yung mga Google, Meta, YouTube, Canva, at other productivity tools. So, ibig sabihin, mag-i-increase sila ng kanilang mga prices. So, example, $100 yung inyong advertisement kay Meta, magiging itong 112 with the add-on na 12% VAT. So, magdi-differ lang kung VAT registered kayo. Yung VAT portion na yun, yung $12 ay pwede nyong gamitin as input VAT. So, pwede nyong i-offset yan against your output VAT payable. Pag non-VAT naman tayo, yung 12%, wala tayong magagawa kundi i-absorb natin yon as part of our expense. So, yung total na kabuuan, yung 100 plus the 12% VAT, ay magiging expense natin. For example, Meta Ads, magiging advertisement expense natin is yung $112. So, aside from that, aside sa mag-i-increase yung mga prices, may panibago tayong task as business registered here in the Philippines. Tayo yung mag-withhold ng 12% VAT, tayo yung magre-remit or tayo yung magbabayad mismo kay BIR.